Hi, good morning everyone. Today we are going to discussing about multiplication of matrices. In yesterday class, then how to addition of matrices and subtraction of matrices we are discussing here. But today we are going to discussing about multiplication of matrices, right? Then how to multiply the two matrices here. The product of two matrices. Product of two matrices A and B is defined as the number of columns of matrix A is equal to number of rows of matrix B. Right? Here multiplication of matrices when it is possible here. Even the two matrices A and B, right? Then the number of columns of the matrix A, it is equal to the number of rows of the matrix B. Then only the matrix multiplication is possible here. Otherwise, it is not possible to multiply the two matrices here, right? Then, for example, here that is here A is equal to one matrix here. I throw jth column of the element whose order m cross n order, and B is the another matrix whose element B is the element, and I throw jth column elements whose order P plus Q order, right? Then how multiplication of matrices is possible here? The number of columns of the matrix A, it is equal to the what here? The number of rows of the matrix B. The number of columns is denoted by the m is nothing but what here? The number of rows of the matrix A, and n is nothing but what here? The number of columns of the matrix A. Here the number of rows is denoted by the symbol is what we have to taking here? P is there, and the number of columns we have to taking what here? Q is there. Then here the number of columns of the matrix A, what is the number of columns of the letter here we denoting here? N here, right? And it is equal to the what here? The number of rows of the matrix B. What is the number of rows we have to taking the symbol here? P is there, right? Here the number of columns of the matrix A, it is equal to the number of rows of the matrix B is equal to then matrix multiplication is possible here. Otherwise the matrix multiplication is not possible here, right? Next one. For example, next, then we have to multiply the two matrices here A and B, right? Suppose A is equal to taking 1, 2, 3, 4, and B is equal to 2, 3, 1, 6. Right? Then what is the order of the matrix A?
2 cross 2.
2 cross. And what is the order of the matrix B is also 2 cross 2. Suppose we have to take here. What is the order of the matrix B?
2 cross.
How many rows here? First row. This is the second row. Right? 2 rows and 3 columns. Right? Then these two matrices multiplication is possible here. Right? Then when it is possible to multiply the two matrices here, the number of columns of the matrix A, it is equal to the what here? The number of rows of the matrix B. The number of columns of the matrix A, what are the number of columns here? 2 columns are there, right? Then what is the matrix? The B, the number of rows how much here? 2 rows are there, right? then the number of columns is equal to the number of rows here. Then the matrix multiplication is possible here. Then how to multiply here? A and B matrix here. Right? Here the product of AB. Here AB is equal to. How to multiply? A and what is B here? 2, 1, 3, 6. Right? Here how to multiply the two matrices here. Right? Then we take the number of rows of the matrix A and the number of columns of the matrix B. We have to multiply the corresponding elements and we take sum. That is the one element. Suppose here I have to taking it which one row here? First row. Right? And this is the what here? First row and this is second row. And this one is the what here? We have to multiply what here? Rows into columns here. Matrix multiplication, how to multiply here? Rows into columns here. Right? This is the which one column here? First column. And this one second column. And this one third column. Then matrix multiplication is how it is possible. And remaining here. Here, when it is a matrix multiplication is possible here, the number of columns of the matrix here, it is equal to the what here? The number of rows in the matrix here. Then A into B, we have to multiply A into B matrix. Then what is the order is comes here? Then A into B, the number of rows into the number of columns. Then that order is comes here. We have to multiply A into B matrix. What is the number of rows here? 2 rows. And what is the number of columns here? 3 columns. This order is comes here, the matrix multiplication. Right? When it is possible to multiply the two matrices here, the number of columns of the matrix here, it is equal to the what here? The number of rows of the matrix B. Then only matrix multiplication is possible here. Then we have to multiply A into B. How to multiply? Then onwards what order it comes here? Then the number of rows of the matrix here, it is equal to the what here? The number of columns of the matrix B. 2 cross 3 order. 2 cross 3. Then how many elements are present in the given matrix here? 6 elements are there. Right? Then 6 element here we have to arrange what here? 2 rows, 3 columns. Right? Suppose I have to take here 2 rows, 3 columns general. Here first, suppose I have to taking A is the element of which one row here? First row. I have to taking 6 elements. A, B. Right? This how many rows are there? 2 rows. Right? This is the first row. This is the second row. Then how many columns here? 3 columns. This is the first column. This is the second column, and this is the third column. And what is the row number here? First row. And this one is the what here? First column. And this one? First row, second column. First row, third column. Next, this is second row, first column. Second row, second column. Second row, third column. Right? Then how to multiply the two matrices here? Here, right? This is A is the element of row. Here first row. Then we have to take in the first A matrix here. Rows we have to take here. And B matrix, this is nothing but what here? Columns. Right? We have to multiply the A matrix rows into columns. We have to multiply and we take sum. Here first we have to multiply the corresponding elements here. Then first element. What is the first row element? First row element in the matrix here? 1. Right? And this is the what here? First column. What is the first column element here? This is entirely first row, it is entirely. And this is the what here? Entirely first column. We have to multiply the corresponding elements and we get sum. That is the one element here. Then 1 into 2, how much here? Right? And next, second row, second element, we have to multiply the second column element here. For first column, second elements. We have to multiply the corresponding elements here. Next, plus 2 3s how much here? 6. This is the element of the what here? This is the which one row? First row. And this one which one here? First column. Right? This is the A matrix first row and B matrix first column element. This is the entire thing. And this one meaning is what here? The first row of the A matrix and second column of the B matrix. First row of the A matrix, what is the first row here? 1 2 is there. And second column, what is the B matrix here? 1 6 here. We have to multiply the corresponding elements and we get sum. 1 into 1 how much here? 1. Right? plus 2 6 are 12. Next, this meaning is what here? First row and this one here, third column element. Here comes. Right? One we have to multiply the corresponding element and we get sum. 1 3s are 3. Next, plus into plus what here? Plus. 2 2s are right? It's so. Next, this meaning is what here? The matrix A, second row of the matrix A and first column of the matrix B. Then what is the second row here? This is the second row entire. What is the first column here? 2 3. We have to multiply the corresponding elements here. 3 2s are 6 plus 4 3s are 12. Right? It's so. Next, this meaning is what here? Second row of the first matrix and second column of the second matrix. Then we have to multiply the corresponding element. 3 1s are 3. Next, plus 4 6s are 20. Right? Next, second row of the first matrix and third column of the second matrix. 3 3s are 9. Plus 4 2s are. Then comes now 2 plus 6 how much here? 8. 1 plus 12 30. 3 plus 4 7. 6 plus 12 18. 3 plus 24 27. 9 plus 8 7. This is the matrix AB. Right? In this type we have to multiply the two matrices A and B here. Right? For example, we don't confuse here. And one more example. A. Right? Find AB. AB we have to find out. How to find out? Matrix multiplication. How to multiply the two matrices A and B. Array B. What is A matrix here? 1 6 7 10. What is B matrix here? 4 2 1. Right? In between what is the sign here? Multiplication. Right? Then how to multiply here? Then what is the order of the matrix A? 2 cross 2. And what is the order of the matrix B? 2 cross 2. Then when the matrix multiplication is possible here, the number of columns of the matrix A, it is equal to the what here? The number of rows of the matrix B. The number of columns how much here for matrix A? 2 here. The number of rows how much here matrix B? 2. The number of columns it is equal to number of rows. Then it is possible to multiplication, right, of the two matrices. Right? Next, what is the order comes here? Then remaining. Then remaining what are the levels? The number of rows into the number of columns of the matrix. Order is comes here. Right? Then how many rows here? 2 rows are into. Then how many columns here? 2 columns. Then 2 into 2 how much here? 4. Then 4 elements are present in the given matrix. Then suppose I have to, generally I have to write here. Then how many rows we have to take here? 2 rows. A. Right? Then how many rows here? 2 rows are there. Then how many columns here? 2 columns are. Right? This is the what here? First row, first column. This is the first row, second column. Second row, first column. Second row, second column. Right? This meaning is what here? The first row of the matrix A element and second or first column of the matrix B element. Right? Then we have to multiply rows into columns. This is the rows and this is the columns. Right? The rows into columns we have to multiply. And we have to multiply the corresponding elements. The first element of the matrix A of the first row and the corresponding elements of the first column of the element of first column. Right? 1 into 4 how much here? 4. Right? Next. Plus into plus. Plus. We get sum here. 6 ones are 6. Right? We have to get multiplying what here? This is the first row and this one is the what here? First column. It's over. Right? Next. This meaning is what here? First row, second row of the matrix B. Right? Then multiplying the corresponding element. 1 2s are 2. Next, here plus, here also plus 8. Plus into plus, 6 3s are 8. It's over. Next, this meaning is what? Second row of the matrix A into first column of the matrix B. Then we have to multiply second row. Corresponding elements we have to multiply. 7 4s are 28. Right? Plus 2 1s are 2. Right? Next is over. Next, this meaning is what? Second row of the matrix A into second column of the matrix B. Then 7 2s are 40. Right? Plus 2 3s are 8. This is AB here. 4 plus 6 how much here? 10. 18 plus 2 20. 28 plus 2 30. 14 plus 6 20. Right? Then what is the order of the matrix AB? 2 plus 2 comes here. This is the matrix multiplication rules. Next one, some problems are given in the NCERT book, the matrix multiplication. There, here A is equal to matrix 1 2 3. B is equal to find A. Find AB. AB. Then matrix multiplication. A. What is A matrix here? AB is equal to, what is A matrix here? 1 2 3. Right? Into. What is B matrix here? 2 3 4. Right? Then what is the order of the matrix A? How many rows are there? This is the first row, second row, this is third. Then how many rows here? 3 rows. Then how many columns here? 1 column. Right? Next here, how many rows are there? 1 row. Right? Then how many columns here? This is the first column, this is the second column, and this one is the what? Third. 1 plus 3. When the matrix multiplication is possible here, the number of columns of the matrix A, it is equal to the what here? The number of rows in the matrix B. Right? Here, the number of columns, how many columns in the matrix here? 1 column here. The number of rows, how many rows are there? 1 row is there. Then matrix multiplication is possible. Then the given matrix AB, what order comes here? What here? The matrix AB, which one order comes here? The number of rows into the number of columns. What is order comes here? The given matrix here, multiplication possible here. 3 cross 3 order comes here. 3 cross 3, then how many elements are present in the given matrix here? 9 elements is there. Right? Then how to multiply the two matrices here? Rows into columns here. Right? Then this is a which one row? First row. And this one which one column here? First column. We have to multiply rows into columns here. Then 1 into 2 how much here? It is over. Right? Suppose we general. Suppose here 9 elements. How to write 9 elements generally here? Generally, right? Here first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. Next, third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column. Right? Really easy. Right? The first row of the matrix A into first column of the matrix B. Where it is the first row of the matrix A element here. What is the element here? 1. And column here what here? B matrix. Then we have to multiply and we get a sum. Only one element is there. It is not possible to sum of the elements. Right? 1 into 2 how much here? it's over, right? First row, first column. Next is which one? This one here. First row of the element of the matrix A into second column of the element of the matrix B. We have to multiply and we get sum, right? Yeah. 1 into 3 how much here? Right? You don't get sum here, right? Next, first row, third row. This is the first row and this is which one column here? Third row. 1 4 is it's over. First row. Next what here? Second row, first column. What is the second row here? 2 here. And the first column what here? 2. 2 2s how much here? 4. Is 4. Right? Next, 2 3s are 6. Right? Second row, second column. This is the second row. Which one is second column? 2 3s are 6. And this one 2 4s are 8. It's over. Right? Next, third row, first column. This is third row, this is the first column. 3 2s are 6. Next, 3 3s are 9. Right? Next, 3 4s are is over. Then how many elements are present in the given matrix? 9 elements are, right? Then what is the order comes here? 3 cross 6. Then 9 elements are present in the given matrix. First we have to take the orders here onwards. How many elements are present in the given matrix? Then how to multiply and how to we get sum here. Onwards we have to decide, right? This is the matrix multiplication, right? And so many examples are there. A equal to 1 1 minus 1 and B equal to 2 0 3. Right? Second row here 2 0 3. 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 and here B is equal to 1 3 0 2 minus 1 find AB. Then find AB. First we have to how to multiply the two matrices here. First the number of columns of the matrix here, it is equal to the number of rows in the matrix B. Here AB. What is A? AB is equal to, what is A here? 1 1 minus 1 2 0 3 minus 1, right? Into what is B here? 1 3 0 2 minus 1 4, right? What is the order of this one matrix here? How many rows here? This is the first row, second row, third row. 3 rows are. Then how many columns here? First column, second column, third column. 3 columns here. 3 plus 3. Next, how many rows here? First row, second row, third row. 3 rows. Then how many columns here? 2 columns. Right? When the matrix multiplication is possible here, the number of columns of the matrix A, it is equal to the what here? The number of rows in the matrix B. Both are equal, right? Then 3 is equal to 3 here, right? The number of columns of the matrix A, it is equal to the number of rows of the matrix B is there. Then we have to multiply A, B is there. Then what is the order of the matrix comes here? And A, B is equal. That is the important thing here, right? Then remaining order is what here? 3 rows and 2 columns. Then what is the order is comes here? 3 cross 2 order comes here. Then 3 cross 2. Then how many elements are present in the given matrix here? 6 elements, right? We have to arrange here 3 rows. How to arrange here? This is the first row, second row, third. 3 rows are there. Then how many columns we have to arrange here? This is the first column and this is the second, right? Next, first row. This is the element of first row. Which one column here? This is the first row, first column. And this one, first row, second column. And this one, second row, first column. Right? This is second row, second column. Right? This is third row, first column. And this one is what here? Third row, second column. Right? We have to multiply. AB is equal. Right? Next. Here, first row of the matrix A into first column of the matrix B, we have to multiply and we get sum, right? Then we have to multiply the corresponding elements of the matrix A of the rows into and the matrix B columns we have to multiply. we have to multiply the corresponding elements of the matrix A into B. 1 into 1 how much here? 1. Right? And plus into plus what here? Plus. Right? 1 into 0? 0. Next, here minus sign here. Here what here? Minus. Minus into minus what happens here? Plus. Right? 1 into 1? 1. Right? It is over. First row, first column element is over. Next, this one, first row, second column, we have to multiply and we get sum. 1 into 3? 3. Next, plus 1 into 2? 2. Next, minus into plus what happens here? Minus. 1 4s are? It's over. First row, second column element over. Next, second row of the matrix A into first column of the matrix B. We have to multiply the corresponding element and we get the sum. Then, what is the corresponding? 2 into 1? Next, plus 0 into 0? 0. Next, plus into minus? Minus. 3 1s are? Right? Next, it's over. Next, second row, second column. This is the second row and this one is what here? Second column. Corresponding elements we have to multiply and we get add. 2 3s are? 6. Next, plus 0 into 2? 0. Plus into plus? Plus. 3 4s are? It's over. Right? Second row is completed. Next, third row, first column. This is the third row and this one is what here? First column. We have to corresponding elements we have to multiply and we get sum. 3 1s are? 3. Next, plus into minus into plus? Minus. We have to write any number into 0 is what here? 0. 1 into 0? 0. Next, plus into minus? Minus. 2 into 1? Right? It's over. Next, third row, second column. Third row, second column we have to. 3 3s are? 9. Next, minus into plus? Minus. 1 into 2? Next, plus into plus what here? Plus. Both are plus here, plus. 2 4s are? 3. 1 plus 1 how much here? 2. 3 plus 2? 5. 5 minus 4? 1. 2 minus 3? Minus 2. Right? 6 plus 12? 18. 3 minus 2? 1. 9 plus 8? 17. 17 minus 2? 50. Right? What is order of the AB here? 3 cross 2. Right? In this type we have to multiply the two matrices here. Some properties of matrix multiplication here.